Hi everyone, I am R.Yokesh from Prathyusha Engineering College, pursuing final year mechanical engineer. Today I am going to share the webinar on Aggro Drone. What is Aggro Drone? Aggro Drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle used to help optimize agricultural operation, increase crop production, and monitoring crop growth. Introduction. Drones are the future of farming. With great refinement in drone technology and implementation, we will see the agricultural drone sector take off. According to the Global Market Insight, the agricultural drone market will be valued at 76 billion by 2024. Why we need the agro drone? Usually, the farmers face water scarcity in the summer season due to low underground water. This leads to poor crop production and less yield. While spraying pesticides manually, the farmers face body infections like skin allergy and itchings in the skin. Every time farmers are not able to spectate the crop regularly, this leads to spoiling of the crops. To overcome these consequences, this drone is held up with a feature which can find the infected crops, spray water and pesticides in the cropland at a low cost so that the farmer's profit can be increased. How drones are being used for agriculture? Agriculture drone provides growers, service providers, and agriculture researchers a fast and efficient way to scout the crops, identify stress, create treatment plans, track plant growth, and much more. The drone also helps to check the number of fruits ready to pluck from each tree. Using high-resolution RGB camera and professional multi-vector sensor, the drone can detect and quantify crop health problems early on. This value insight can reduce input costs and boost yield. By using the camera, which is mounted on the drone, we can monitor the farmland without stepping onto the land, which reduces the time and the labor costs for monitoring. Next upon, we move on to the water and pesticide spraying. This is the one of the feature is added in the drone. Drones such as these are capable of spraying crops with far more precision than a traditional tractor. By using the drone, pesticides can be sprayed on the farmland in just half an hour. They are used to spray pesticides to prevent the spread of the plant disease. The spraying of the crops by using the drone is much more stable and efficient than the traditional tractor method. What are the advantages of spraying using the drone? These are some of the advantages while spraying the drone while spraying by using the drone. The drone protects the farmers from harmful pesticides and also prevents poisoning and health incidents. This method helps to decrease the problems which are being faced by the farmers. It can spray up to 50 to 100 acres every day. The drone can spray the pest or water in the croplands about 50 to 100 acre every day, which is 30 times more than the traditional spraying method. The drones can spray pesticides with fixed position and fixed orientation, which reduce the pollution to water and soil. It is economical as compared to traditional spraying method. It saves 30% of the pesticides. Usually, the spraying of the pesticides by the human, which increases the waste of the pesticides. By this drone method, we can also save the pesticides by 30%. It saves more water compared to the normal spray. Comes in the wide range of application and easy to use and maintain compared to normal tractor method. These are some of the components used in the drone: frame, brushless motor, battery, APM, ESC, radio transmission, GPS module, telemetry, camera, nozzle, pump. These system components are all assembled under the frame and a drone is made. By using the pump, the water is pushed from the tank via tube and to the drone. On the next slide, we will see detailed about it. How does the drone spraying system works? The container is not attached with the drone. Instead, the container is kept at the ground level to increase the efficiency of the drone. Usually, on the drones available in the market, the drones are the drones in the drones, the containers or tanks are attached with the drones. But in this method, the container is kept at the ground level, which is connected via tubing on the drone. The water in the container is pumped and passed through the drone via tube. In this drone, nozzles are present which helps in spraying the water or pesticide. Nozzles are attached to the tube drones and the water is pumped through the tube and passes via nozzle. Next, we move on to the next slide. With all being said, how to control the drone? The drone can be controlled by using two methods. One is by transmitting and another is by using software. By transmitting method, the controlling of the drone is not efficient as the software method. Usually, on the transmitting method, the drone is not stable. When we control, it can lose, it can fly away, or it can get damaged or stuck on a tree. But by using the software method, we physically predefine the location and the waypoint by using the GPS. The drone moves accordingly. This provides more stable and feasible control of the drone. We will see more detail about how to use a software on the video section. Night vision camera is used to see even in the darkness. During the darkness or even nighttime, the drone cannot see anything on the croplands. So this drone is implemented with a night vision camera, which helps to identify the infected crops or even see the crops during the night times. The drone is provided with a software, as said above, which makes the drone to fly at a specific land area. Route option mode are available to cover the most operational needs. For controlling the drone, 2.4 GHz 6-channel transmitter is used to easy access. Light indication on the drone is used in the darkness for identification of the drone position. During the night time, we can lose the drone. For this purpose, we have implemented a LED light so that we can identify the position of the drone. Automatic return to start when the power is low. When the power of the drone is low, the drone reaches automatically to the start point where the drone took off. Being different. How is the drone being different from the other drone available in the market? Most of the drones available in the markets only cover 10% of the land area for spraying. After it, the liquid should be refilled again. In the available drones, the pesticide container is attached to the drone, which increases the payload of the drone. Usually, the available drones in the market, as I said, the tanks are attached within the drone. But this drone contains the container at the ground level, so that the more storage can be accessed and the more stable flight can be achieved and more time duration can be achieved. In this drone, the pesticide container is kept in the ground level and it is linked with the drone with the help of a silicon tube. Due to this, the payload of the drone is reduced and the flight time is increased. One of the drone is DJI Agras MG, which cost around 8.4 lakhs and has a flight time of 15 minutes and carry around 9 liters maximum. But this drone is capable of carrying 50 liters maximum in the container with a flight time of 20 to 25 minutes. Let us see a working video of the drone. Short. As I said, the drone is used for monitoring purpose and pesticide and water spraying purpose. These are the components used as mentioned in the PPT slides. This is the dry pump to pump the water from the tank. This is the lithium polymer battery to power the drone. This is the receiver. This is the transmitter. This transmitter transmits the signal and the receiver is attached to the drone which receives the signal. This is the GPS module which has been used in the drone to detect the accurate location. This is the electronic speed control which controls the speed of the motor. This is the motor which has been used in the drone, 935 kilowatt brushless DC motor, which provides up around 850 grams of thrust each motor. This is the high definition camera for monitoring purpose. This is a schematic diagram for assembling the drone. How does a drone work? This is a sample video which has been. This is the structure of the drone, mini structure. This is the sample video of the drone working. It's spraying the water and it is used for monitoring. Autonomous mode. As I mentioned in the PPT, the drone can be controlled in the two various methods by transmitter and by the software. This is the software method. We have to create a polygon and we have to create the accurate location. We have to select the location and create the waypoint as like this. And the drone follows the waypoint as such and sprays the water or pesticide, and it can be also used for monitoring the land. We have to select a particular land and draw the polygon, and the drone follows the polygon as such. If the battery is low, the drone will come back or returns to the initial stage. Thank you.